looking for a travel trailer for your family that's going to sleep 7 to 8 people comfortably, and you're looking for that extra room and amenities without breaking the bank, then the 30 USBH might be the floor plan for you. Let's take a look. In this bunkhouse, you have sleeping for 4 campers. On the lower bunks, these are rated to 300 pounds. The top bunks are rated to 200 pounds. You've got a lot of nice lighting in here. This pocket door can isolate all the noise. If they want to bring a TV, PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, they have that here in this built-in to utilize. Also, you have storage down below and no carpet back here in the coach to provide a very functional space for your campers. This is a 10 cubic foot electric reefer, so if you need the LP for boondocking or dry docking, please talk to your authorized trail runner dealer about that. You've got a microwave. You're able to extend the countertop because the 3-burner stove has a glass top, as well as additional drawers that are very smooth to operate on a ball bearing system. What I like here on the uppers, they've been mounted very, very high so you can utilize the deep part of this counter space, but it has a soft beveled edge. There's no sharp corner here. You've got a 2-bowl sink here. They've made a very residential feel with these nice glass inserts. You're greeted with a lot of open space for cross conversation and also function in the way of storage. 5 shelves here that can be removed and customized for your specific camping and packing needs. Also, this is the location you'll find for your full bath. This is going to accommodate 1, 2, possibly even 3 campers. These windows are massive on the slide out. They all open, so you get a lot of nice cross breeze here. Very easy to collapse this down and convert to additional sleeping for your guests. You can easily accommodate 2 with integrated cup holders here. You can have 3 campers sit here comfortably. If you need additional storage, you can simply lift up this jackknife sofa and utilize underneath the seating. And again, this converts and yet another arrangement for 2 additional campers to sleep. This entertainment cabinet has been centered and you have access on both sides, so it's universal to get to your master suite. You've got a lot of storage from the top all the way down to the bottom. This radio not only has Bluetooth, so you can play your favorite music playlist from here in and outside of the coach, but they have pass-through HDMI and pass-through USB, which simply means if you have an accessory item like a PlayStation, instead of trying to sit here and break your arm mounting it to the back of the TV, you take that HDMI cord, you plug it into the face of this radio, and it will pass through and stream on the TV. You can have additional pocket doors that will extend on both sides of that centered entertainment center. You have a true 60 by 80 queen size bed. You've got a large shelf that goes the entire width of this bed. You also have closets on both sides with nightstands that have been extended through the closet space. So if you have a CPAP machine, cell phone charging, and you need access to it, they have these nice pocket windows that they've incorporated on both sides of this queen size bed so you have quick access. On the ends of these nightstands, they have wireless charging for your cell phones. Take your cell phone out, you put it here right on the hub, and it will self-charge. You've got 2 windows in here. They both open, allow Mother Nature to make your master suite very comfortable in the evening when you are sleeping. If you're looking for a coach to give you a lot of space, a lot of amenities, and not break the bank, then take a look at the all-new Trail Runner 30 USBH. For more information, go to heartlandrvs.com. Thanks, everybody.